The most fascinating aspect of my Grosvenor Teacher Fellowship trip was being able to visit the tropical rainforests of Colombia and Panama. A tropical rainforest like this requires two main ingredients: water and 12 hours of solar radiation. And boy, did we have a lot of rain.
This is what makes it a rainforest.
That is exactly right. Yeah.
Space is a limiting factor in a rainforest. There are tall trees that form the canopy, plants that grow on the forest floor that don't need too much sun, and plants that grow on other plants. There is a gap for every meter of rainforest, at least every 100 years, so you don't find too many old trees in a rainforest. They have a shallow root system and are easily knocked over, so a tree that is 100 to 200 years old here is very rare. Pioneer plants grow in gaps formed in the rainforest. These pioneer plants grow fast and reproduce quickly.
Okay, we have a beautiful, large, big trunk of a tree in the family of figs or ficus. And if you pay attention, climbing on the trees, you will see some plants. We call those hepiphytes or hemiepiphytic plants. So epiphyte plants are those that live on top of the trees. They climb on top because they're reaching for the sun. The higher they go into the tree, the more sun there is, but also the higher they go into the tree, the drier it is. So it depends. If you want to be way up on the top, you must have adaptations to survive with less water. If you live a little closer down here, it might be not as dry, but less light. So higher, more light, lower, more water.
Pollination happens with vectors like bees, bats, moths, and birds. Unlike deciduous forests, these trees don't lose their leaves every year, so they have been able to invest in the production of chemicals that deter animals from eating them. Rainforest conservation is so important. Migratory birds call this place home during the winter, and many of our medicines have come from the tropical rainforests of the world. We all, not just the locals, depend on the resources found here, one way or another.